Hey, let's have ourselves an adventure. So today we're gonna have a treat from the brewery. This is their 2020. Hopefully I'm saying it right. It's called Elevage, right there on the back. Elevage. Hopefully again I'm saying it right. Don't come for me. 14.1%. Again, this is a vintage bottle. This is coming in at this is a 2020 edition, and this is a 12.7 fluid ounce bottle. Very nice, very elegant. So let's go ahead and crack this open. So it's got a cork. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a cork in there. So here we go. So in, and we're gonna work our way. Oh, we just took off the plug. That's a wax plug. Now I gotta get to take our time. I've had this for quite some time. Do not want to damage the cork taking it out. Same time, we have to be real careful. Yep, there's stuff coming out. All right. So now what we're going to do is go real slow. Real slow. Easy. Okay, keep going. Got to be real careful. Usually these things pop. All right, we're good. We are good. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay, nice color. All right. I'm sure there's some lovely sediment at the bottom, but that's okay. There it is, looking sexy as all hell. Have ourselves an experience. All right. Damn. Damn. That is sour. That is like an orange ascorbic acid overload with Belgiumese. Damn. We're also, it's a little, it's got some musk to it, some grape musk. It's got, damn near like a sour green apple fragrance. I mean, not apple, green grapes, and something, I don't know, woodsy, kind of like oak, maybe a little oakiness to it, and it's got a little toast, but it's sour. That hit me really. I'm already salivating. I do like my sours, but 14.1%. There is no booze to it. It's like a cross between a sour and wine, almost like a Pinot Gris, if you will. Got that Pinot Gris twang to it. But cheers. Well, now. Oh, Lord. Oh, that's the good stuff. Woo. No, I take back that. That's like sour apple. Woo. My mouth is wet. Oh God, that's intense. Okay, working. Let me get through one more. Definitely that Pinot Gris. Yep. Oh, that did not let up. Okay, so we got sour apple, ascorbic acid, and we got green grapes. And I'm gonna go with, if I had to figure out what wine that we're gonna be like with, just so that you guys can understand, we're gonna go to Pinot Gris, so a white wine. All right, so we got those two going on. So this is an incredible sour. I'm also getting um I'm also getting like a little bit of some Belgiumese, so there's some spices on there, but they're kind of washed out, but they're there. They're like giving it some complexity. No carbonation whatsoever, as you guys can see. And then once you finish it, got a wood to it, kind of like if you had a toothpick. After a while, you get some of that tannins, not tannins. I apologize. Some of that woodiness from the toothpick. Tannins are skins from or fruit peel. It's the drying situation. That's tannins. Is there any tannins on this? Very light, because your mouth is already salivating. The moment this ascorbic acid hits you, it's like, whew. But it's very intense. It almost seems like this is either a double or a triple. I mean, it's got more intensity. And usually, when you drink a beer and it has a way more intense situation for whatever the style is, or if the beer has like a really intense like complexity, it's usually a double or a triple. So, like for instance, if something's really dank and very bitter, usually that IPA is a double or a triple. And I mean really heavy in it. As far as the texture goes, you're not going to be able to kind of linger it. That ascorbic acid is going to hit you pretty good, and that sour is going to make um, but it just seems nice and refreshing, watery texture, very thin. So it's like thirst quenching. You're going to be relieved with it, and it's gonna really it's really good on a hot day. So with that said, thank you guys for hanging out with me for this special beer, and big shout out to Pond, because as you guys know, and you guys have known me for over 10 years, these come from Pond. He's my neighbor. He's a good guy. Cheers, guys.